Nakakatakot ang balitang ito. Iran nagpasabog na ng kanilang hypersonic ballistic missile. Ito ang first time na gumamit ang Iran ng gantong klaseng kalakas na missile system. Nakakilabot nga pagmasdan ang missile na to. Sa ere pa lang tatayuan ka na ng balahibo. Ito nga ang Fatah-1 hypersonic missile. May bilis to na abot sa 18,000 km per hour. Imposible para sa Iron Dome na i-intercept o pigilan ang missile ng Iran. To the next level na nga ang ganting pag-atake ng Iran sa Israel. Pero si US President Donald Trump urong sulok. Pag-iisipan niya daw muna kung aatakihin niya ang Iran o hindi. Bigyan daw siya ng 2 weeks. Parang nagpanik nga si Trump sa missile na pinakawalan ng Iran ngayon.
Based on the fact that there's a substantial chance of negotiations that may or may not take place with Iran in the near future, I will make my decision whether or not to go within the next 2 weeks. That's a quote directly from the president for all of you today. No enrichment of uranium, and it would absolutely not. Iran is not absolutely not able to achieve a nuclear weapon. The president has been very clear about that. And by the way, the deal that Special Envoy Witkoff proposed to the Iranians was both realistic and acceptable within its terms.
Walang sinasanto si Iranian Supreme Leader Khamenei. Walang pake kung sinong tatamaan ng missile niya. Digmaan kung digmaan. Kahit kasi mga inosenteng tao na dadamay talaga sa gera. Pati ang Israel tila nangangamba na.
Attacks on civilian populations, not on military, on civilian populations. It is a war crime that everyone wants to condemn.
Tinitiyak nga ng Israeli Defense Forces na pananagutin nila ang Supreme Leader sa ginawa nitong pag-atake sa Israel. Pagbabantayan ng Brigadier General ng IDF. Ang pag-ataking ginagawa daw ng Israel ay para sirain ang weapons of mass destruction ng Iran. Pero ang ginagawa ng Iran ay dinadamay na ang mga tao. Kaya dapat daw hindi talaga magkaroon ng Iran ng mas delikado pang armas tulad ng armas nuclear.
Here at the Soroka Hospital in Beersheba, at a site where a ballistic missile launched this morning from Iran hit directly this hospital. This is exactly the face of this regime. It's a terror regime. We are targeting military targets and they are targeting civilians. They are aiming to kill as many civilians as they can. This is exactly why we launched this operation. We cannot allow Iran obtain nuclear weapons. We cannot allow Iran obtain ballistic missiles. It's an existential threat for Israel. It's an imminent threat for Israel. We will do whatever we can in order to dismantle this threat.
Grabe ang lakas ng Iran. Napakahirap din talunin sa gera. Napakadami nilang reserbang missile. Kayo, anong masasabi nyo dito? I-komento sa baba ng salobin.